In today's video, I'll teach you how to sign out YouTube from other devices. So first of all, open YouTube. You can see over here I've opened it. Tap on the U icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to access the settings. At second, you'll be able to find this option for switch or manage account. Tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be able to manage your accounts over here. In order to sign out the YouTube from other devices, you'll have to sign out the Google account from other devices. So tap on this option, manage your Google account, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on this option, security and sign in, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Simply scroll down. Now over here you'll be able to find this section for your devices. Tap on this option, manage all devices. Now you'll be able to see all the devices that you're signed into over here. So what you have to do is tap on the device from where you would like to sign out the YouTube. Enter your screen lock in order to verify it's you. Now once you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. What you have to do is tap on this option, sign out, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, tap on the option sign out again. Now your Google account will be signed out from that particular device. That means YouTube will also be signed out. If you want to sign out of all the other devices, simply follow the same process for all the devices. After you do that, you'll be able to sign out of YouTube in other devices. So that is how you sign out of YouTube on other devices. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.